Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Troy. I'm doing my hot dance. I'm doing my hot dance.
Okay guys, welcome back to It's Charlie's Time. We're doing this video because we have reached our 10,000 subscribers. Well, right now at this moment we're a little bit over, so it's time to have a giveaway. Charlie, what makes 10? What makes 10, Charlie? 5 and 5 makes 10. So Charlie, we are going to give away what? Charlie, stop it. Charlie, you did not lose your voice. Back up, Charlie, and let's talk. You got to talk to the people. You got to. Yeah, Charlie, you're so silly. Okay, guys, so only thing you have to do to be a part of this giveaway is first be a subscriber. So if you have not subscribed, please do so now. Also, we would like for you to like this video, and then next, we'd like for you to leave a comment in the comments because we're going to give away some things. Hair stuff being one of them. But we're going to do a surprise in there as well. So it's going to be a nice surprise gift for whoever wins the giveaway. So, of course, we're going to give away hair stuff. Charlie picked out some things. She's excited to give them away. So we're going to do that. But also, leave some comments in the comments and let us know what do you want. So we can do that. So leave a comment. And also, guys, don't forget to hit that bell because we're going to go live with the giveaway. And we would like for you guys to be live, so when you win, you can say, that's me, because we're going to call out your name, and you're going to be the winner, and it's going to be so awesome. So, Charlie, well, how do you want to end this video? We can't hear you, Charlie. Charlie, speak. Charlie, stop being so silly. You lost your voice? So we're not going to be able to hear you? So you don't want to say anything? Do you want to say thank you? You want to say bye? Okay, guys. Charlie is being extra silly right now, so we are going to end this video.
Alright, I'm back.
Oh, you're back. Okay, she's back, guys. Okay, so Charlie, what do you want to say to people?
Bye.
You got to say more than bye.
Love you.
Love you?
I'll give you a kiss.
No, Charlie.
I'll give him a hug.
Charlie, you are not even in the camera right now. Stand up and stand back. I can't see you.